Sweet. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and motovlog. Let's go for a motherfucking ride. Ooh-wee. I got a nifty new device called a GoCruise Throttle Lock. It's this little thing right here. And we're gonna do a little bit of a review for it because I just got it today. These motherfuckers, man, how many are gonna... I'm jumping out. Ooh, it's a bit windy, but we're gonna go ahead and do this review. And by windy, I mean like 40-mile-per-hour winds, but it's whatever. Just part of the job. Holy shit, that's a lot of sand. Holy shit, I hope I don't get blown away. That's a fucking horrible crosswind. Goodness. We'll see how it goes. Alright, but anyway, we're gonna see if this little cruise control thing works. So, according to the manual, you put it on your throttle, and then you just kind of push it down. Oh my god, and it's working. It kind of drops in speed, though. Oh my god, it's working. Look at that. It just goes by itself. It's kind of weird, though, because, like, it's kind of hard to let off. Oh, this is gonna fucking suck. Oh my god, look at all that fucking dirt. This is gonna fucking suck ass. Oh, here we go. But yeah, apparently this throttle, so you just kind of two-finger it or push it down with your finger, and it just goes by itself, man. It's great, hands-free. It works. But it keeps increasing in speed, so it's kind of weird. So I guess we gotta like loosen it a little bit. I think I gotta find a good point with it. Holy shit, this is some nasty wind. Alright, no flying past cars today. No flying past cars. Don't want any tickets. It's National Police Week. Alright, let's see if we can get this little cruise control thing working again. I guess you gotta find the good point. I mean, it kind of works sometimes. Look at that. Oh, found the sweet spot. Look at that. It just does it by itself. This is awesome. I never thought in a million years I would be able to ride hands-free. I could just put my feet up now. I could put my feet up and just... Oh, this is a godsend, man. This is some good shit. It's called the GoCruise Throttle Lock, and it works. It works. It's a little clip, and you just put it on your little rubber part, your little grip, and you push it up against your brake lever, the front of it, and it just keeps the bike going. This is awesome, man. Like, I won't have any more of those horrible thumb cramps anymore that I hate so much. God, those fucking things hurt, man. This is gonna be so awesome when I go on longer rides. I've already done about a 3-hour ride on this bike, and I didn't have this, and my hand was just fucking... It was on fire the whole time, man. But this little throttle lock, this is gonna be amazing. And if it starts to drop in speed, you just adjust it a little bit. And I adjusted it too much. And it'll just keep... Oh, this is awesome, man. It just keeps going. I could just guide it with this hand now. Oh, this is awesome. No more hand cramps, man. No more hand cramps. They're horrible. Anyway, that's the review. If you want one, I'll put a link of where I got it in the description below. And that's all I got. That's my review. It works. Enough said. Peace.